Hi, my name is Vaman Deshmukh, and in this session we shall discuss functions in Oracle. Basically, function is an important part of PL SQL programming in Oracle, and function is very much similar to procedure as well. In fact, I recommend you watch my previous video, that is procedures in Oracle, to get a very good idea about all the aspects of function parameters and its execution. So, in this video let us see function, its definition, and how basically you create function and all the stuff related to functions. So, function, which is also called as a stored function or user function or user defined function, is basically a subprogram in Oracle. It is very similar to procedure, but it necessarily returns a value, and it can be used as a part of SQL expression when it is called. The syntax for function is very similar to procedure, with the only difference is function necessarily has a return type which procedure does not have. Function also has parameters, of course they are optional, and function also can have in out type of parameters. Function also can have default values in the parameters. So, basically that is how use a function. So, function it will have begin block, it will have exception block, and it will also have end block. So, this is very similar to procedure in Oracle, and let me show you a quick example how do you create a function. So, let us create one function to add two numbers, and then let us see how do you call that particular function. So, here I am writing a code to create a function. Look at the code, create or replace function, function name, two parameters, a number, b number, return number is, this is the return type, followed by begin block. In the begin block you have the return statement, return a plus b, followed by end block, function is created. Now, basically how do I call a function? Please understand, executing a procedure is a different thing, because procedure is it is a standalone procedure or even a procedure in a package. It independently executes, it does not require any other statement as such. But when it comes to function, the function has to be executed, or the function should be called within a SQL, within a SQL statement. It can also be put in a procedure, but in any case function is not an independent executable database object. It has to be within, function is not an independently executable database object. It has to be either within a procedure or it has to be within a SQL statement. So, let us see how do I call this function here. I am writing a simple query, select the function name with two parameters, select addf 10, 20 from the dummy table dual, and the output is 30. It is also possible to put the function in a procedure. So, you could see here I am executing the procedure here, execute DOP statement. Within that statement only I am putting the function addf, and the output is same here. Function, unlike a procedure, has to be within a SQL statement or it should be within a procedure, because function necessarily returns a value, and this value has to be used by the procedure calling environment. So, just like procedure, function also can be dropped by using the query drop function, function name. Function can also be like if you want to check the text of existing function, you can do the same thing just like you have done for the procedure as well. So, procedure and function, which are mostly similar database objects, with only difference is that function has a return type and procedure does not have a return type. So, that is little about function in Oracle. Thanks for watching video. To watch more such videos, please visit Naresh Technologies on youtube.com.